Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another video here on Wound Up. In this one, we're taking a look at another watch from the Slovakian brand Biatec. A couple of months ago, we took a look at their Corsair watch, which I reviewed and I think is a pretty damn great watch for the price. This is their other model that they have. It's called the Majestic and is a dress watch. So in this video, I figured we'll take a look at the box that it comes in. So we'll unbox it and then we will take a quick look at the watch itself and some specifications, and then in a future video I will make a review of it just like I did with the Biatec Corsair. But before we get into the box, let's take a look at what I am wearing today. So today I'm sporting my Omega Seamaster Diver 300M with the Hirsch Airton rubber strap, which is actually kind of a racing strap but works very well with this watch. I think it looks fantastic. But yeah, this watch is pretty much my most favorite watch in my collection right now. Just look at that watch. Beautiful. So as per usual with a lot of watch boxes, we have a cardboard outer box here. We have the logo here in gold. Then we have this really nice cloth protecting the piano black inner box, which is wood, I believe. It is quite heavy, so it seems to me that it's real wood. It is definitely one heavy box. It just oozes quality all over the place. So this watch's retail price is 1,500 euros, which I think is very reasonable for what you're actually getting here. So without any further ado, let's just get into it. There we go. The Majestic 05 with the brown leather strap. So the box here, well, is black and yellow. We've got a nice quote here. And then below where the watch sits, you would find your warranty and your instructions manual, but there's none of that because this is a review unit. I do not get to keep this watch. Let's run through some of its specifications first. So it features a 316L stainless steel all polished case. It's got a brushed and polished finish for the case back here. You have got a front sapphire crystal here with inner and outer anti-reflective coating. We also have a sapphire case back here on the back, which displays the solid 14 karat gold Biatec coin. The watch is 40 millimeters in diameter. It's got a lug-to-lug distance of 48 millimeters. Its thickness is 12.8 millimeters. And its lug width is pretty large for a watch of this size, 22 millimeters. For the dial here, they say it's a blue sun ray dial. It doesn't have the sunburst effect. However, the color does change from a very inky black to a nice navy blue color in different sorts of lighting, so it looks very cool. It's got a small silver seconds dial at 9 o'clock. The indices are silver and so are the hands as well, the leaf hands. For the leather here, we've got a brown calf leather with croco pattern and some nice stitching along the sides. We have a nice large rugged and nicely finished clasp with the Biatec logo. Looks very clean. And for the movement here, we have got a very interesting movement. So as I said, this watch's price is around 1,500 euros. And what you see in these price points are usually just the ETA 2824 or 2892 if they're nice. But this one features an Eterna caliber 3901A. Now this is a super interesting caliber. It's of course self-winding. It features a beat rate of 28,800 vibrations an hour. So that's a 4 Hz frequency there on the seconds hand. It has a nice amount of jewels, that being 29. It's got a shock absorber as well. Now the really interesting stat here with the movement is that it has a power reserve of 65 hours, which is pretty darn good. It's really great to see a different kind of movement in these lower end luxury watches. So I'm super happy that Biatec has decided to go with something else than ETA or Sellita. Overall, I do like the design of this watch so far. I also like its finishing, its quality, you know, it feels like a very nice watch. But yeah, so what do you guys think about this watch? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.